Hello, myself, Professor Vinay Vijay Duke from Nirmala Memorial Foundation College of Commerce and Science. In a last lecture, we discussed how to find area under the curve by using integration. Let's see the example number 1, which is find the area of circle x square plus y square is equal to r square, which is the equation of circle with the center origin and the radius r. We know this area. This is pi r square. But how did you know? Just see. We can see that this area is subdivided into 4 parts. All quadrants covers equal parts of equal portion of circle. That means if we calculate the area of any quadrant, then we will get this area of circle by just multiplying 4. That means area of circle is equal to 4 times the area of part of circle in the first quadrant. But the area of part of the circle in the first quadrant can be given by the integration 0 to r by dx. Is that clear? Because your function is y. But the problem is, what is y? Because we have x square plus y square is equal to r square. So in this case, y is equal to under root r square minus x square. But the problem is how to get this. So you just see the explanation. We have x square plus y square is equal to r square. That means y square is equal to r square minus x square. And by taking square root on both sides, we'll get y is equal to under root r square minus x square. Now you will say, why it is not plus minus? Yes, it can be plus minus, but we are in the first quadrant. So in first quadrant, all the coordinates x and y are positive. That's why we take y is a positive square root of r square minus x square. Okay. Next, the integration of under root r square minus x square is nothing but x by 2 under root r square minus x square plus r square by 2 into sine inverse of x by r, where the limits are 0 to r. If you put this value as upper limit and lower limit, if you put x is equal to r, this gives r by 2 under root r square minus r square by 2 sine inverse r by r minus the lower limit, that is 0 by 2 under root r square minus 0 square plus 0 square by 2 sine inverse of 0. Now here you can see that this r square minus r square is nothing but 0. That means the whole term is 0. Also, sine inverse of r by r is 1. So it is sine inverse of 1. And this term is also 0. And also this term is 0. That means we have only one part, which is r square by 2 into sine inverse of r square r by r, which is sine inverse of 1. Let's see. It is r square by 2 into pi by 2, and the rest of the numbers are 0. Now r square into pi is pi r square. 2 into 2 is 4, which will cancel with this above 4, and it gives area is equal to pi r square. Okay. So this gives the area of circle, which is pi r square. Now the conclusion, as the number of rectangles used to approximate the area of region increases, the approximation become more accurate. As we can see in the last lecture, it is possible to find the exact area by letting the width of each rectangle approach to 0. Doing this generates an infinite number of rectangles. A function and the equation for the area between its graph and the x-axis are related to each other by the antiderivatives, that is an integration. So we will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.